In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A07 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google Search Bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up. Then hit remove in the middle of it and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you ever wanna restore it, all you need to do is hold your display and hit widgets at the bottom. Then scroll to find Google app and tap on it. Scroll again to find search bar widget, hold it, drag it to the perfect place and let go. Then tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!